Hi guys, so I wanted to come to you today just to show you how I achieve my low puff. This is this is a wash and go that I actually just did today. So it's a fresh wash and go using the Design Essentials curling custard, curling custard, and Mielle Organics hair milk, as in my previous wash and go video. And I want to show you how I do my low puff with that wash and go technique. It's super easy, so I'm just going to jump right into it. So I'm using simply a elastic band that I cut and tied, and then I am taking the honey custard and rose water. So I already have a part straight down the middle of my hair. What I'm going to do is just spray a little rose water just at the top of my hair, and then I'm adding a little bit of the honey custard, just a little. And then I have a little baby brush, super cute baby brush. I don't use brushes very often or really styling tools, but I'm using this baby brush just to kind of add a little bit of smoothing. Now I do like texture in there when I have my low bun, so I'm not going to do too much of that. And then the same thing for the other side. A little bit of the honey. Add that in there. For the most part, I'm just gonna use my hands because that kind of did a little bit too much flattening. But just to smooth out down here, edge area, and then by the part. All right. So I'm gonna bring my hair back and then take the elastic band. So this part is a little bit different than like a sleek low bun. What I'm gonna do is wrap the elastic band twice, and then instead of putting my hair in a ponytail or doing it in sections, you're gonna bring your hair back where you want your ponytail to go. And then what you're gonna do is take the elastic band, you're going to wrap it around one time. However, once you wrap it around that one time, you're going to bring it back up. So bring your hands back up toward the top of your head, like that, like this. And then you're going to start fluffing your hair back out. So fluff your hair back out. So you want your elastic band to basically come back up here. You don't want your elastic band to be tight down here, because it makes your low puff bigger. You don't want your low puff to be tight down here, your ponytail to be tight down there. You want it to basically start up here. And then the same for this side. And then fluff that out. And then now that you've secured that elastic band in there, you can just play with it. But overall, this is how I achieve my low puff. I like it. I love this low puff because it's very loose, so it's not hard on my edges, especially like I've told you guys before. I had a lot of postpartum shedding here, so it doesn't pull on my edges at all, or my hair in general. It's very comfortable. And then it just gives you this big, like this huge puff. Everybody likes big hair, right? Everybody likes big hair. So yeah, this is how I achieve my low puff. It's not much to it, simple, very, very quick. So yeah, if you liked my low puff, you tried it, give it a try. Tell me how you think about it. If you like it, show me your pictures, tag me on Instagram, let me know what you think about it. But yeah, this is all that it is to it. So simple. I wear my hair like this all throughout the work week. My favorite thing is to rock my low puff with hoop earrings. Like, hoop earrings have my heart. Love them. Been rocking them. Been wearing them since I was like 18. I love hoop earrings. But yeah, anyway, this is all that it is to it. I really love this sleek low puff. I've never been able to wear a low puff like this. Like, I can't wait until it's like massive, massive low puff. But yeah, that's all it is. Same as my previous wash and go video, just with the elastic band. Super easy. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching, and stay tuned for other videos to come. Love you guys.